Hello guys, this is Brian back here with a quick look at Bone for Shibaswap here. Well, you can see this thing had a nice run up here. Okay, obviously if you're looking for a trend, it would obviously be an uptrend. Okay, so let's look into this thing a little bit deeper and see where we're going here. This almost looks like a bull flag up here, with a pole here. So we're going to look at the RSIs here in a second and see what's going on with this thing. Okay, the crypto bubbles, you can see pretty much everything's red today. Just a pullback day, a tough day to make videos, a tough day to talk about crypto, but you know what, you got to go through the bad days to have the good days. So it is what it is. You live once, so let's do it and get through it together. All right, tomorrow will be a better day. That's just how it goes. So I don't know if I told you guys, but I ended up partnering up with MEXC. There's a link in the description of the video. If you're interested in going over and signing up there, I would very much appreciate it if you use my link. You can use futures contracts over there and just regular trading. You can buy crypto, all kinds of stuff. Really great site. They got a hold of me about a month ago. I tried them out for 3 weeks, and yesterday was the first time I mentioned them in my videos. Okay, so they have all kinds of cool stuff over there. They have a thing called copy trade, where you can actually go in and pick the top traders, and when you follow them, it automatically places a trade for you when these guys place a trade if you're following them. So pretty neat stuff. It's pretty new. You can see this person has 172 out of 1,000, but there's big money being traded in this thing. I looked here, there's 10,000 total copy trade users, $2 billion in total copy trade amount. So getting to be a pretty big thing. So if you want to check it out, go over there. If you're not if you're in the US, you might have to use a VPN to access everything, but you can access some stuff if you're in the US without a VPN. But pretty neat site, really great. They got a lot of great stuff there, so you got to go over and check them out. And if you do, please use my link, guys. I would appreciate it very much. So let's get back to the Bone here. Okay, if we look at these RSIs on this thing, right, we got the 4 hour just about at the bottom here, okay, on the stochastic, which is good. Okay, the 8 hour, is heading down that way. Okay, now the 12 hour is also going down. All right, so we got some down pressure here, and the daily is actually just turning down. Okay, so we zoom in here a little bit. I want to show you guys something here. Okay, the 12 hour, we're going to look at some stuff here. Okay, maybe it's the 8 hour. There it is. Yeah, we got a little bit of bearish divergence showing up on this thing. Okay, you can see it here. Lower high on there. Price up here, we had this high, then we had a higher high. Okay, down here for the same thing, we had this high, and when we got the higher high, we had a lower high on the RSI. Okay, on the 4 hour, it's about, pretty decent. The 8 hour, that's where the divergence is. The 12 hour, oh boy, pretty close. Just slightly lower. So looking maybe for a breakdown out of this thing. So just be very careful, okay? Especially with the 12 going down, the 8 going down. The 8's going down hard. Okay, the 4 hour is reset, so it could pop here. This wedge is getting super tight, so it's going to make a move here real soon. Okay, the 1 hour wants to turn up. Okay, you can see at the bottom here, it's about in the middle down there on the, it's at a 43. So this thing is going to make a move tonight. Looks like for sure. All right, if not tonight, tomorrow. it's winding up pretty tight here. Okay, so I don't know, the bearish divergence, keep an eye on that. Okay, that stuff there usually plays out. All right, but you know, and it could be a fake out too. That bearish divergence could be, you could get a fake out of it, and it could end up, you know, that's a pretty common thing to happen. It comes down, comes back, rips up through it, back tests it, heads out, you know, the other side. So that happens a lot in this market, fake outs, but I'm not saying that's what's going to happen. I'm not a financial advisor. I don't give financial advice. Please listen to a qualified person for stuff like that, okay? But just be careful with this coin right now, okay? Like I said, we got that on the 8 hour, we got that bearish divergence, which is a little concerning there, and it's pretty obvious there. You know, you can see it right there. Actually, this is a little higher here, so we do have that going on, and usually these play out. Now, if we look how high our RSIs are on the chart down here too, look how high these things are. This thing's way up there. It's at a 71 right now, the 12 hour. The daily, wow, that's up at a 76. The 8 hour is at a 67. Now the 4 hour, 4 hours down there a little bit, it's at a 57, and the 1 hour is pretty low. But them other ones, as high as they are, I'm kind of betting, if I was a betting man, I'm betting this thing's coming down. So we'll see what happens. But don't take my advice for it. Do your research, and please look into things yourself. But as high as them RSIs are up in the charts there, they're really high. The bearish divergence, yeah, looks like maybe a pullback here, maybe a pullback down to that 98 cent area, you know, back test here. That'd be a good spot for it to come to. So we'll see what happens, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. I very much appreciate it, and I'll talk to you soon.